Hello everyone, my name is Miss Pagden and you will be having me for your second grade year. I'm so excited to spend it with you. So I just want to go over our class website that will be keeping you informed throughout the year. So here on the homepage says welcome to our class website. It shows you what school that you're at, the room number 10, and the school phone number with my extension if you need to get a hold of me, and also my email. Email is probably the best way to get a hold of me, um, just so I can get back to you as soon as possible. I do want to point out that up here, there's the home tab, the classroom schedule, the diverse family resources, community events, classroom rules, blog, and our curriculum that we will be doing this school year. Um, so we'll be going over all of this today. But first I want to start off with the home page, which we're already on. Scroll down. So this is just about me. So my name is Haley Pagden. I am a second grade teacher at Lulu Ross, and this is my first year teaching, so I'm so excited to spend it with you guys. I love spending time with my family and dogs. I have two dogs. Their names are Rocco and Lincoln. During my free time, I like going to the beach, and I really like eating at new restaurants. And something I do almost every single day is drink Dunkin'. It is my absolute favorite. I love coffee. I was born in Lewis, Delaware, and raised in Milford. So I'm also a former Ross Cat myself, and I graduated from Milford High School in 2019. So after high school, I continued my education at Delaware Tech, and I graduated the spring of 2021 with my associate's degree. I then attended Wilmington University and received my bachelor's degree in the spring of 2023 in elementary education. So I'm so excited, like I said before, for this school year, and I want all of you to know if you ever have any questions or concerns about your child, or if your child has a question, please, please, please reach out. That's what I'm here for. I will get back to you as soon as possible. So if you have any questions, please reach out. Again, my email is right here, and my phone number with the extension. So our classroom schedule. This will be every day. So, if you're going to have to pick up your child early, this is great to look at just so you can see like if they're going to miss something or what they're going to miss. So from 8 to 8:25, they're unpacking and doing their morning work. 8:30 to 9:30 is math. 9:35 to 10:35 is special. 10:40 to 10:50 is bathroom and drink break. 10:50 from 11:50 is reading and writing. 11:55 to 12:25 is lunch. 12:30 to 1 o'clock is social studies. 1 to 1:30 is science. 1:35 to 2:05 is recess. 2:10 to 2:20 is pack up, and then 2:25 is our dismissal time. So for specials, Monday is technology. Tuesday is gym, Wednesday is library, Thursday is music, and Friday is art. So this is actually really good too, just so the kids know that on Tuesdays they need to wear sneakers because they do have gym. Wednesdays they need their library books, stuff like that. So this is for diverse family resources. This is for people who are going through some tough times or they need some just different help. So here are free classes to help better your English. The location is actually at our school. You do need a 2-day registration, like 2 days before. So on September 9th and September 11th at 6 p.m. So when the class begins is on September 23rd, and classes are Monday and Wednesdays, 5:45 to 8 p.m. So I left the contact number, and if you need more information, the website link is right here. This helps families connect, help with their English, and get more involved with the community. So if they're new here, they can meet other people that can help them and grow with friendships and all other sorts of things. So this is called PIC. It's Parent Information Center. The location is actually on Facebook Live. It's on July 20th, and I left the website here. This is their website. This is not Facebook. And this Facebook Live is to help children and family find ways to relieve stress during trying times. So this is perfect for what we're going through. Kids are seeming, I feel like, to be a little bit more stressed out, and I feel that this would be great for families to watch and, figure out different ways to help with their stress, sitting at home and knowing that things are going on in the world with the pandemic and all that. So I left that on there. Therapy for children going through divorce. I think this is phenomenal. It's a video, so you can schedule it with someone that's in the Milford area. Or like I said before, or you can do like a video chat with the things that are going on today. So on the website, there's listings of multiple therapists that are qualified in this, and there's multiple ones. So this website is full of trained therapists that specialize in children going through a divorce. And I put on here that it's okay to reach out because I feel like sometimes when people are going through things, they're scared to reach out. And I think this is a great way for people to talk about their feelings and anything that they're going through. So this is another Facebook Live. It's the same website as the one before. It's August 3rd. It's from 1 to 1:15. It's again, I left the website right here, and this Facebook Live is to help families and children with their mental health. This live will help parents deal with their children that are struggling. So any child that is just really going through a rough time, like I said before, this pandemic, being locked up in the house, not being able to go see their friends or being at school, this is really, really good for them to just talk with somebody different, So these are different resources that you can use. So next we are going to go to community events. So some of the community events that go on in Milford, if you're new, if you're not, you've probably heard of a lot of these. The first one is Riverwalk Freedom Festival. It goes on in Milford at the Riverwalk. It's downtown. It's September 19th. I left the website here. It'll give you more information. It's all day activities. It's really fun for families, craft vendors, live music, and has a kids corner. I personally have been. It's a lot of fun. There's so many people from Milford out there. We just have a really great time. The next one is the Bug and Bud Festival. It's at the same place. It's April 25th, 2020. I also left the website here in case you had any other questions. So the Bug and Bud Festival is to celebrate the state bug, which is the ladybug. The whole day is revolved around the state bug with live music, craft vendors, and tons of activities for children. I've also been to this one. It's a lot of fun. Everybody's dressed up in red and black, and kids have a great time. So the next one is a holiday stroll. It also happens at the Milford Riverwalk, but it's downtown. It's December 4th, 2020. I also left the website here. The holiday stroll is a fun time for all families. They do, you meet with Santa, there's shops open, there's hot cocoa, and I'm pretty sure there's live music. It's a lot of fun. I've personally never been, but I've heard tons of people talk about it and how much fun it is. So the last one is the Memorial Day Flags for Heroes. This is also down at the Milford Riverwalk. It's next to Arenas. It's May 25th. And I also left the website here again. The Memorial Day Flags for Heroes is a very meaningful and fun time for families. So on Memorial Day, you can sponsor a fallen hero, whether that be a police officer, fireman, or someone in the military. When you sponsor a flag, they put it up and they leave it in the Riverwalk. It's very pretty. I've passed it. I've never been to the Memorial Day Flags for Heroes, but I've seen the flags up and it's very pretty. Just the way that they display it, and I think it's a great idea. So if you're interested, the website's there. I put the websites for all of them. So next, we're going to go to our classroom rules. These are just some basic rules that I feel that are very important and beneficial for students so they can have a successful year in my classroom. So listening bodies, and this is just like the kids, what they would say. I will listen and follow directions. Raised hands, I will raise my hand to share ideas. Quiet mouth, I will use a soft voice. Walking feet, I will walk in school to be safe. Helping hands, I will use my hands for helping, not hurting. And caring hearts, I will use kind words. So this will be up in my classroom. Just a little reminder, I think these are great points to point out for students. Sometimes anybody can get carried away, so these are just some great points for them. And then this is our school saying, school rule, you could call it. We always show Paul power. P, practice safety. A, act responsibly. And W, welcome respect. If you walk into school, you see this everywhere. I think it's a great little, reminder. We are the Ross Cats, so Paul Power. I think that's great. So the next one we're going to go over is our blog. So here, if you guys have any questions for me, and I will be looking at this website daily, so please feel free to reach out and, ask questions or put something fun on here. So one other thing I want to point out is if you have any private questions, this one right here is private. So if you need to know something that's private about your child or whatever, you can put it on here. Nobody else will see it. I will be the only one that will see it, and I will get back to you privately as soon as I can. So this one is for school-related activities, your classwork, field trip questions, missing work. You can post it here, or if you have any homework questions, you can post them there. Please feel free to put any questions on here, because your questions, if I answer it, it could help another parent's confusion or question also. So this is a great way for us to all stay in touch, I feel, and help each other out. So the last one we're going to do is curriculum. So on here, I just listed our different subjects that we'll be going through this year. These do not go in depth of every single thing that we're going to do. If I did that, we would have a very, very long list. So I just put like the main points, and then I also put the link. So the link is in depth. So you'll see these points on the link, and then below it, they will explain it in depth. If you're questioning or anything, these are perfect websites to go and look to get a better explanation of what all of these are. I will be sending out a letter weekly that just goes over everything that we'll be doing that week. Your child will come home with that. So if you guys have any questions of these, feel free to email me. But these websites with the links, they explain very, very well. So that is our class website. I'm going to go back to the home screen. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to call me and leave a voicemail at my extension, email me. I am here for you and your child. Please do not ever feel like you're bothering me. I'm so excited to spend the school year with you guys. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.